Kung alam mo na yung platform, accounting software, most probably, ma-hire ka nila. Pero ang tips ko naman doon sa mga newbie na wala pang idea on how to use QuickBooks Online, desktop, again, mag-comment lang kayo. Kung gusto nyo magpaturo, pwede naman tayo magkaroon ng session for that. Of course, we cannot avoid dealing with difficult client. But my point is, this difficult client is also manageable. That's why I always encourage my client and me as well has own system so that both of us are not pressured. At the same time, we can work easily. So, ayan guys, kasi totoo naman sa work natin, lagi naman talagang may pressured and difficult times when it comes to client. So, kailangan nyo lang din naman magkaroon ng communications and deliverables and set expectation para walang ganong mangyaring difficult clients. Accrual basis means expenses and revenue are recorded and recognized when they occurred. And cash accounting aren't documented until cash exchange hands. Yun nga, madalas tinatanong yan sa accounting firm. Tinitingnan lang kung ano yung madalas yung method na gagamitin. Pero normally, pag tinanong kayo kung anong gusto nyong method, ang lagi naman natin sagot dyan is accrual. Which is ako personally, accrual talaga gusto ko. At alam din ng mga accounting yan, tsaka ng may-ari or accounting firm mismo kung bakit accrual. Kasi mas detailed, mas accurate yung report na makukuha kapag accrual basis tayo. For me, cash flows, because I do believe cash flows really shows the financial wealth of the company. So guys, kapag tinanong pa kayo ng more detailed, kasi alam naman natin si profit and loss, hindi naman siya ganun ka-detailed. Although, okay, magagamit natin siya monthly, and also sa balance sheet, same thing, makikita natin yung AR, then mga liability doon. Pero, then again, if you will notice, si cash flow pa rin na mag-identify talaga ng financial wealth ng company. Nandun kasi yung sources and uses ng pera ng company.